Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you a new PlayStation 5 setting that will allow you to disable game chat and mute all players in the lobby. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I'm playing Call of Duty right now, and I want to go ahead and play and not hear anyone speak in the lobby. How would I go ahead and disable game chat and mute all the players? Well, on the PlayStation 5, this is very simple. If I press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu, and then go over to sound on the bottom bar, and select this and open this up, and then go to disable game chat audio, there's specifically a setting just for this. If you turn this on, your voice won't be heard and you won't hear the voices of other players. This setting, however, isn't applied to voice chats in party. So if I turn this on, every player I come across when I'm playing Call of Duty will automatically be muted. Now, if you're in Call of Duty or most games, you can press options and just go to the audio settings. And there's probably a setting in there that's called voice chat, and you can go ahead and go to disable to completely get rid of this. Otherwise, another option is to press the PlayStation button once again, and then go to Game Base, and then create a party or join a party chat. So when you go ahead and join a party chat, players in the game lobby will not hear you, and you won't hear them. And if no one's in your party chat with you, no one's going to be able to hear you. Or you can press square and just mute everyone in your party chat as well. So you can see I have a mute option next to my microphone. If I press square, it's unmuted. If I press square, it's muted. So it's very, very easy to disable the game chat and mute everybody. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.